Ease of access. Manages excess cables via in-wall storage and provides convenient access to back of TV as needed. Compatibility. Includes USB Type-A and receptacles to power a digital TV adapters, cable box, USB-compatible backlighting, soundbar, or streaming media devices such as Apple TV or Roku. Manage all your cables. Cable access strap easily handles the many cables necessary to support your TV. Flexibility. Compatible with all TV power plugs, even right-angle cords, bulky power supplies and USB Type-A connections. Top reviews from the United States. Great design, just avoid like new and buy new. Like new seemed fine for this sort of thing, but was missing crucial parts. Returned and purchased a new one. Quality is good and I really like the USB ports available on this one in contrast to most others.